Dear Kofita HR team, this is my video answer for your question. For number one, operation daily operation. To identify the root case, I always use the business process flowchart presented in the SOP. I usually observe the operational steps one by one, step by step, till I can pinpoint the source and cause of the problem. After I pinpoint that, so I coordinate with HR team maybe, or the up level for me to call in the department leader or supervisor to discuss issue encountered in their department. So I think if we work together, nothing problem can resolve it. That is for number one. And number two, managing production scheduling. I think in a production company, the goal is to create the best possible product, the best possible result, the best possible output. Of course, it must be the best possible, because that is we sold to generate the profit. With the big profit, maybe for company expands, and of course to pay the employee salary. And for me as operation manager, that is a non-negotiable factor. Operational KPI goal is to keep running production, to keep production running, and maintain the quality standard. So the action is I will coordinate immediately with all departments to maintain the production as usual with same standard, same quality. That is number two. And number three, ensuring the efficient and productivity. I think in every team, every department has its own key performance indicator, and each employee has their own. So we can identify those KPI to maintain high team productivity. I usually create a weekly and monthly evaluation meeting. These are necessary to measurable and accurate evaluation, and it also can be early problem in the identification. And number four, team management and development. If I found a conflict, I would call each individual or team member involved in the conflict individually, of course individually, and then to determine. I call each individual or team member to determine the root case individually, of course, and then I would mediate for reconciliate and maintain their professionalism. HR team can be joined to report the track record of the employee for further recruitment or requirement. And number 5, implementing second shift. Changing from one shift to two shift will certainly require additional human resource, but it must be considered the effective and efficient as possible, like maybe multitasking for supervisor, leader, or senior employee. So their job not only talk the talk like that, but equally important is establishing working hour between the shift to allow for a smooth, clear, and documented handover. That's it, number 5. And number 6, when my previous company won the tender as a transportation vendor in Sariroti, Semarang, I was instructed by the director to prepare all necessary requirement in Semarang. As a manager operation, I was assisted by the Central Java area coordinator from finding the land for the vehicle garage. In that garage must be have a driver accommodation like a room for the rest and toilet. Also operation office space, until requiring recruiting the driver and staff operational with a well organized work schedule. So the vehicle garage in Semarang can be operated to serve the distribution Sariroti in Semarang according to the specific time. That's it, and that's all. Thank you.